Hi, my name is Tanil Jankola. I am currently the middle school science teacher and freshman pre-algebra teacher at Hoxie Community Schools in Hoxie, Kansas. I have been married for 12 years. I have three wonderful boys, aged 10, 8, and 6, who keep me very busy, and especially this summer between baseball, swimming, and wrestling. And I love being a mom, and I love being an educator. I decided to start my degree in educational leadership because I felt it was time for me to take my career one step further. I love being a classroom teacher and I love teaching and educating students and getting to know students at different levels and helping them within their own education and building them up and empowering them through education. And I just feel and have felt that it's just time for me to take that to a different level within building administration and leadership. Being under several different administration types throughout my career, I've been a teacher for 21 years. I feel like I have learned a lot and have gleaned a lot of information from a lot of strong principals that I have worked under. And I'm just ready to take those skills and apply them outside of the classroom. Within my career and then within my background, I feel like I have a lot of leadership qualities that have been built up and refined over the years. I've been on several different committees from MTSS to curriculum to professional development. And within all that realm, I've also been the chair of several of those committees and helped lead them and advocate for different things within education within our school. I believe that I have a lot that I can offer to help strengthen education, and I look forward to being able to do that within school finance and build those skills as well. One of the things I have done over the last 3 years is I've been the lead negotiator for our district, and what that has given me in terms of school finances, I've had to really start looking at the budget, and I'm learning and continuing to learn how the budget works, how the money gets moved and can move, and why it can move, and where the money is located, and how it can be used within the district. And although that I can tell you that I kind of understand what a contingency reserve is or what a um, capital outlay or the general fund, my weakness falls in that I'm not quite sure on how that money can be moved or where it can be moved or what it can be used for. And I'm learning that very quickly as the lead negotiator so that I can help negotiate for our salary. I also want to know about like a local LOB. I need to learn more about that and how that works and how that can benefit or hinder a school and just different things like that. So I look forward to this class helping to build my um, knowledge of school finance because I think it's very important as a leader. You have to know what the money is, where the money is, and how that money can be best used to make your school district stronger and better for your students because that needs to be our number one focus. We are there for the education of our students, and we need to be able to do that in the best way possible. And through school finance, if there's no money, there's no way we can educate them. And so to just build those skills within myself, I look forward to learning in this class on how all of that works and working with all of you throughout this semester.